Ever had a moment where you felt something but couldn't quite put your finger on it? Or maybe you knew exactly what you were feeling but wished you could just turn it off? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind your feelings. Specifically, emotional awareness, how you identify what you're feeling, and emotional regulation, how you manage those feelings. These two skills are crucial for a happier, healthier you. First up, emotional awareness. This is your ability to recognize, name, and understand your emotional state. It's the moment you say, aha, that's what this feeling is. Scientifically, it's a three-step dance in your brain and body. Your body reacts. When something happens, your body has an automatic physiological response. Your heart might race, palms might sweat, thanks to your amygdala activating your fight or flight system. Your brain listens. Next, your brain's insula acts like an internal scanner, sensing these physical changes in your body. This is called interoception. Your brain labels. Finally, your prefrontal cortex, your brain's thinking cap, takes all this information and puts a name to it. It appraises the situation and says, this isn't just a fast heart rate, this is excitement. Think of it this way. Low awareness. You wake up with a weird stomach before a big presentation. You think you're sick. High awareness. You recognize the stomach knots, the shallow breathing, and correctly identify it as anxiety about public speaking, not illness. Knowing what you feel is the first step to knowing what to do about it. Once you know what you're feeling, the next step is emotional regulation. This isn't about suppressing emotions, that rarely works long-term, but about influencing how you experience and express them in a healthy, adaptive way. Here, your prefrontal cortex, PFC, is the true hero. It acts as the control center, sending inhibitory signals to your amygdala, helping to calm down that initial emotional surge. It's your brain's way of saying, okay, we've registered the feeling, now let's respond thoughtfully. So, how do we regulate? There are powerful strategies. 1. Cognitive reappraisal. This is about changing your interpretation of a situation. Example, you don't get a promotion. Instead of thinking, I'm a failure, you reframe it. This is a chance to develop new skills and try again next year. Your PFC is working hard here. 2. Situation selection. Simply put, choosing to avoid or engage with situations that trigger certain emotions. Example, you know certain social media threads make you angry. You choose not to engage. 3. Mindfulness and deep breathing. When an emotion hits, acknowledge it without judgment. Deep breathing can physically calm your nervous system. Example, feeling overwhelmed? Take slow, deep breaths. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Focus on the sensation. Both emotional awareness and regulation are cornerstones of emotional intelligence. When you master them, you get better relationships. You understand yourself and others more deeply. Improved mental health. You can manage stress and challenges more effectively. Smarter decisions. You act with thought, not just reaction. So the next time you feel a surge of emotion, pause. Ask yourself, what am I truly feeling? And then, how can I respond adaptively? Your brain is wired for it. You just need to practice. What are your go-to regulation techniques? Share in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.